In the heart of rural Japan, tucked between mountains and mist, lives a woman whose age defies every expectation. Her name is not known to the world, but her skin tells a story few can ignore. Smooth, radiant, untouched by time. While her peers rely on expensive creams and clinic visits, she continues to age backwards with a ritual as quiet as the village she calls home. Locals speak of her like a legend, a living reminder of what nature can do when we stop fighting it and start listening. Today, we step into her world, not just to admire her beauty but to understand it. What keeps her skin so youthful? Is it something in the air, the food, the water, or a forgotten tradition passed from mother to daughter, now on the edge of extinction? This is not just skincare, this is legacy. And the most extraordinary part, her timeless ritual can be recreated right where you are, without special tools, without luxury brands, just the wisdom of a culture that's quietly held the secret to eternal skin for centuries. You're about to witness something real, something powerful. Welcome to Infinite Infotainment, where hidden traditions, powerful remedies, and time-tested wisdom come to life. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the endless noise of modern beauty trends, you're in the right place. Here, we strip away the hype and bring you the truth. Natural, effective, and often forgotten secrets that have stood the test of time. This channel is your gateway to discovering the most fascinating health and beauty practices from around the world, especially those that mainstream media rarely talks about. Whether it's an ancient skincare recipe from a remote village or a healing food ritual passed down through generations, we bring you what truly works. So, if you're passionate about living well, aging gracefully, and unlocking the secrets hidden in nature and tradition, make sure to subscribe. You're not just watching a video, you're joining a community that believes in real results, not empty promises. In a remote Japanese village surrounded by cherry blossoms and centuries-old shrines, something remarkable happens nearly every day. Travelers stop in disbelief when they meet one particular woman. Her face is serene, her skin unlined, and her presence ageless. She smiles politely as people ask her age. When she responds 95, jaws drop. She doesn't wear makeup, doesn't hide behind filters or lighting tricks. Her skin glows with a youthful radiance that seems almost otherworldly. Locals know her well. They've seen her walk to the market every morning just as she has for decades. She carries her bamboo basket, greets neighbors, and moves with the ease of someone half her age. But the real fascination lies in her skin. In a village untouched by the rush of modern life, she has preserved an ancient beauty tradition that's nearly forgotten in today's cosmetic-obsessed world. The whispers about her secret have spread beyond her town. Curious visitors, journalists, even skincare researchers have tried to uncover the mystery behind her timeless look. But she never calls it a secret. To her, it's simply a way of life, a quiet ritual rooted in gratitude, simplicity, and connection to the earth. Her method involves ingredients as humble as potatoes, water, and thyme. No flashy products, no miracle serums. What makes her story so powerful isn't just the results, it's the contrast. While the world spends billions chasing youth, she's been preserving it with nothing more than what her mother and grandmother taught her. Her story is a living testimony that beauty doesn't always come from a bottle. It can come from heritage, discipline, and a deep respect for nature's rhythm. And now, for the first time, we're peeling back the curtain on this graceful practice, so you can bring a piece of her timeless beauty into your own life. While most beauty trends chase the latest lab-made miracle, Japan has long held a secret weapon in plain sight: purple sweet potato extract. Known locally as beni imo, this vibrant root isn't just a superfood for the body, it's a hidden gem for the skin. Packed with anthocyanins, the same age-defying antioxidants found in blueberries and acai, this deep purple vegetable fights oxidative stress, repairs UV damage, and restores elasticity to aging skin. But the magic doesn't stop there. When paired with cold-pressed camellia oil, another ancient Japanese treasure, the results are extraordinary. Camellia oil, extracted from the seeds of the tsubaki flower, has been used by geishas for centuries to soften their skin and nourish their hair. Rich in oleic acid, squalene, and vitamin A, it mimics the skin's natural sebum, delivering deep hydration without clogging pores. The synergy between these two ingredients creates a powerful skin elixir. Purple sweet potato extract combats inflammation and boosts collagen production, while camellia oil seals in moisture and strengthens the skin barrier. Together they rejuvenate tired, dull skin and fade fine lines. Naturally. Unlike commercial anti-aging products that rely on synthetic actives, this duo delivers nourishment the way nature intended: gentle, effective, and sustainable. It's no surprise that women in Okinawa, known for their longevity and radiant skin, include both in their diet and beauty rituals. This is more than skincare. It's a ritual rooted in longevity, harmony, and the wisdom of women who've never needed a marketing campaign to glow. And now this rare blend of plant power is ready to transform your skincare routine. One drop, one day at a time. Now that you know the powerful duo, purple sweet potato extract and camellia oil, let's talk about how to harness them at home in a simple, effective ritual. You don't need fancy equipment or expensive products, just pure natural ingredients and a few intentional steps. Start by preparing the purple sweet potato extract. Slice one small purple sweet potato into thin rounds. Be sure it's the deep violet variety, not the lighter kind. Boil the slices in distilled water for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let it cool, then strain and store the liquid in a glass container. This vibrant purple infusion is rich in antioxidants and will be your skin's new best friend. It can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Next, you'll need cold-pressed camellia oil, which is often found in Asian grocery stores or specialty skincare shops. Choose one labeled as 100% pure and unrefined. This oil will act as both a moisturizer and a sealant to lock in the benefits of the sweet potato extract. Here's how to use them together. Cleanse your face gently with lukewarm water. Soak a cotton pad or clean hands in the purple sweet potato extract and pat it onto your face as a toner. Let it air dry. While your skin is still slightly damp, apply 2 to 3 drops of camellia oil to your palms, rub them together, and press gently into your skin. Use upward strokes to lift and stimulate blood flow. Repeat this ritual nightly, and within days you'll notice increased hydration, reduced redness, and a more even glow. Over time, fine lines soften, and your skin starts to reflect the calm strength of this ancient routine. It's a ritual of beauty and intention, quiet, powerful, and entirely your own. Beyond topical treatments, the Japanese grandmother's timeless glow is also rooted in how she lives, not just what she applies. Her beauty ritual is holistic. Every meal, every movement, and every habit contributes to her ageless appearance. Let's explore the lifestyle choices that support her radiant skin from the inside out. First, her diet is remarkably anti-inflammatory. Each morning begins with a small bowl of miso soup, rich in probiotics that support gut health, an essential but overlooked component of clear, youthful skin. Her meals often include seaweed, daikon radish, tofu, and green tea with roasted brown rice known as genmaicha. These ingredients are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that flush toxins, boost collagen, and strengthen the skin barrier. But what sets her apart isn't just the ingredients. It's the balance. Meals are eaten slowly, with gratitude, never rushed. This mindful approach supports digestion and reduces stress, which shows up directly on the skin. Second, her daily routine includes a sacred facial massage ritual. Each evening, she spends 5 to 10 minutes massaging her face with camellia oil, using her fingertips in small circular motions and upward strokes. This stimulates lymphatic drainage, increases circulation, and tones the facial muscles. She believes facial movement is just as important as muscle movement in the body. If you don't use it, you lose it. She also swears by the power of sun protection, but not through chemical sunscreens. Instead, she uses a traditional rice-based powder that naturally shields the skin from UV rays, and she always carries a parasol or wears wide-brimmed hats. Her philosophy is simple: prevent the damage and you won't need to repair it. Lastly, her lifestyle is stress-light and movement-rich. Instead of gyms, she walks everywhere, slow, deliberate walks through nature that ground her. She spends time tending to her garden, breathing fresh air, and rarely looks at screens. This low-stress environment keeps cortisol levels down, which reduces inflammation, puffiness, and breakouts. What's most remarkable is how effortlessly these habits have been woven into her life. There's no chase for trends, no obsession with products, just a quiet consistency that has kept her skin strong, calm, and luminous. Her routine is not just skincare, it's a daily act of self-respect, and it's one you can begin today. While most skincare routines focus only on what goes on the skin, the Japanese grandmother's secret extends far deeper, into what she puts into her body. Her glowing skin is the result of years of internal detoxification, built around one simple, powerful ritual: a morning skin-cleansing drink made from grated daikon radish, warm water, and lemon juice. Daikon, a long white radish often used in Japanese cooking, is a natural detoxifier. It's packed with digestive enzymes, vitamin C, and compounds that help the liver flush out toxins. Combined with warm water, it gently stimulates digestion and kickstarts metabolism, helping the body eliminate waste products that often show up on the skin as dullness, breakouts, or puffiness. A squeeze of fresh lemon adds vitamin C, boosts the drink's alkalinity, and further supports liver function. This simple tonic is taken first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's not just a health drink, it's a ritual of renewal. She believes that clear skin is a reflection of a clean, well-functioning gut. And modern science backs her up. Studies show that liver congestion and poor digestion often contribute to skin issues from acne to premature aging, but her inner glow doesn't stop there. She regularly consumes fermented foods like natto, pickled plum, also known as umeboshi, and homemade kimchi, all rich in probiotics that improve gut flora. These foods reduce inflammation and help regulate hormones, which play a critical role in skin clarity and smoothness. By nurturing her body from the inside each day, she ensures that her skin reflects health, balance, and vitality. No cream or serum can replicate what this internal detox ritual does. It's the ultimate reminder that radiant skin isn't just about the surface, it starts in the gut, one warm cup at a time. Before you begin this ancient beauty ritual, there are a few important things to keep in mind. While purple sweet potato extract and camellia oil are both gentle, natural ingredients, it's still wise to do a patch test, especially if you have sensitive or allergy-prone skin. Apply a small amount behind your ear or on your inner arm, and wait 24 hours to check for any irritation. When preparing the purple sweet potato infusion, make sure you're using organic, non-GMO sweet potatoes to avoid pesticide residues that could irritate the skin. Always store the cooled extract in a clean, airtight glass container in the refrigerator, and discard any leftover liquid after 5 days to avoid contamination. Camellia oil should be cold-pressed and unrefined, with no added fragrance or preservatives. Look for products labeled as food grade or cosmetic grade for optimal purity. Also, consistency matters more than intensity. Don't overuse the extract. 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. Too much of even a good thing can overstimulate the skin. Finally, always apply sunscreen in the morning, even when using natural treatments to protect your skin from UV damage. Respect the process, listen to your skin, and let nature work in quiet, powerful ways. In a world overflowing with skincare fads and overpriced promises, it's easy to forget that true beauty often comes from the most unexpected places, like a quiet village in Japan, a humble purple root, or a flower seed pressed into oil. What this Japanese grandmother teaches us isn't just how to glow on the outside, but how to live in harmony with ourselves, simply, consistently, and naturally. If her story inspired you to rethink your skincare journey, now is the perfect time to start your own ritual. You don't need luxury creams or miracle products, just patience, intention, and a return to what truly works. Thank you for watching Infinite Infotainment, where we bring you nature's hidden treasures and timeless health secrets from around the world. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who deserves to experience real beauty, naturally. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new discovery that could change your life. Your journey to radiant, age-defying skin doesn't begin in a lab. It begins right here, with knowledge, nature, and you. Until next time, stay curious, stay radiant, and remember, the best skincare is the one that honors your roots.